Let's make onugbu soup. Assorted meat, dry catfish, crayfish, blended pepper, ogiri Igbo, blended cocoyam, more cocoyam, grains, palm oil. Now cover and allow it to cook. Now let's check. Okay, I'm loving the consistency. I'm going to add my bitter leaf. Give it a good stir. Stir, stir, stir. Now I'm going to add my grilled mackerel fish. More crayfish and seasoning cubes. Now stir. Taste for salt and adjust if needed. Now I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 5 to 6 minutes. 5 minutes later, our soup is ready. Onugbu soup is ready. Bitter leaf soup. Correct bitter leaf soup is done. All done.